The COVID pandemic confronted us all with fundamental life changes and new challenges. Now, as we approach the return to the workplace and the new normal, new challenges await. We all face a huge amount of personal and professional change as we adjust. My name is Jayson. I'm a psychologist whose background is in the psychology of performance and productivity, personal and professional development, and happiness and well-being. What I'm all about is getting people unstressed, unstuck, and clear. On October 7th at 12 o'clock, in conjunction with Iconic Offices, I'll be talking about some of the psychological strategies we can employ in challenging situations generally, and how you might employ them during the return to the workplace and the new normal. Some aspects of the new normal are beyond our control. However, there are psychological strategies we can use to increase happiness and reduce negative emotion. We'll talk about tackling pessimism, dealing with others, and negative self-talk. So join us October 7th at 12 o'clock for the return to the workplace and the new normal.